Hello everybody, today we will try to save another power supply. It's Enermax. I have repaired Enermax before, but another model, also platinum, and as I remember it was a really nice power supply, worth saving. As you can see, it's 1700 watts, platinum. I don't know what a beast the computer must be if you buy this power supply for yourself. I don't really know, but if they exist and people buy them, so it means there are some computers that require such power. Recently I read a book about SMPS, and the guy who wrote that book, he said that it is not worth trying to repair SMPS for PCs because these are very cheap and you don't need to bother yourself repairing those power supplies, ATX. But I don't know, he's American, I suppose maybe for people from America it is okay just to throw away a power supply and buy a new one, but not for many other countries, that's for sure. Especially power supplies like this, you don't want to throw them away just for nothing. Okay, there's, as you can see, very nicely packed. The guy who sent it to me, he said that it was in repair shops before. In 2 repair shops they wasn't able to find the fault. Probably they didn't want to bother themselves to try to find the fault, that's why they didn't succeed. But I will try to succeed because that's what I like to do. I like to get back to life electronic devices, and I hope that you who are watching this channel have the same attitude towards electronics and try and want to try get them back to life, to the second life, give them a chance. Okay, I connected a tester. Now I connecting mains via or through a light bulb just for safety. As you can see, the power supply tries to start. Voltages are present for a short period, but then the power supply goes into protection mode or some kind of protection. There is definitely a fault. We should open it, check everything thoroughly, and try to find the fault. I will show you the whole process, how I open it, because someone was blaming me that all my videos are fakes, that I take a working device and make it look like it's not working. But honestly, I don't do that. Why waste your time for making fake videos? It's not what I'm about to do. This is my hobby, and people give me devices, they give me some money for this. Not too much, as you might expect, but they get their devices repaired. I have fun repairing them because I like to do this. As you can see, the insides is really good. It's not cheap. Everything is pretty decent. Now I want to remove all the PCB out and check everything. Probably I will not show you the whole process. Maybe it will take a lot of time for me to find the fault. And as I said, yeah, it was quite a long time. I opened it, there was some flux, somebody tried to solder probably. Maybe they thought there was a crack on some joint, or I don't know. I checked everything, the primary side, secondary side, and only maybe in 40 minutes or so I saw that diode. This is the diode that you cannot see on each power supply. That diode connects 5 volts and 3 volts. I don't know why, what its purpose. I just can easily remove it and power supply would be working without it, like no problem. I think. Maybe not. maybe 3.3 volts are no. So it maybe 3.3 volts are made from 5 volts, but no, there is a coil. Anyway, as you can see, the diode was faulty. Now there is no short on this line. The problem is you cannot put exactly diode back, so there is another solution. I found a bigger one, 5 amps diode, similar in voltage, similar in fast recovery. This line is on top and this line on the bottom, so there is no need for me to put it on the left. I can put it in the middle, just cut some insulation and put it there, which I did. As you can see, there is plenty of space there. It's not gonna touch the cover, but anyway, just for safety I'll put some glue. This is good for insulating, for heat transfer, maybe some mechanical stresses. As I said, there is a lot of space, so just add some, let it dry a little bit, and we would be ready to test. I'm pretty sure that this time it's gonna work. And as you can see, there is space about 3 millimeters from the casing to the diode. Now let's connect the cable, 24 pins cable, as before. I'm not gonna put it under full load because all components were original. We just have to check that all the voltages are present and the power supply doesn't go into protection mode as it was before. Connect the mains with a light bulb at first, just in case. You never know what can happen. We have the light and all the voltages are there, as was expected. Now I take the cable directly from mains. I marked it with red heat shrink, just for additional safety. and connect the tester. All the voltages are present, power good is present. So this nice power supply is saved. It was pretty easy fault, but it wasn't easy to find it. We saved it, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.